Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install apps on your app store. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your device, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to make sure that your internet connection is properly working. So guys, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly, you will have to use your mobile data, and if your mobile data is not working properly, you will have to use your Wi-Fi to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is you will have to restart your device for one time. So guys, restart your device for one time and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that you will have to sign out your Apple ID on your device for one time, and then you will have to sign it again to your device, and you will have to make it sure that your Apple ID is properly working and it is active. So guys, sign out your Apple ID, give your password here and sign it off. So after this, sign it on again and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is you will have to set your app store settings. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is you will have to set up your app store and its settings. So guys, go back to your settings, scroll it below and tap on app store. So guys, from here you will have to turn on app downloads, app updates and in-app content, and after this, automatic download. So guys, turn them on and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is you will have to check your date and time on your device and make it sure that your time zone is correct and your date and time is also correct on your device. So guys, open settings and tap on general, and from here tap on date and time, check your time zone here and turn on set automatically. So guys, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well.